Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Burns. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oils, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instructions: combine the aloe, lavender, and honey in a small clean bowl and mix well. Note: if there is any broken skin, do not use the honey in this mixture. How to use: apply a generous layer directly to the burn. You can cover it loosely with sterile gauze or a bandage to protect it. Avoid applying pressure or wrapping it tightly. You can apply this 2 to 3 times a day until the burn starts to heal. Be sure to keep the burn clean and observe for any signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, or pus. How it works: lavender oil has linalool and limonyl acetate, which helps reduce pain and prevent infection, as they are both anti-inflammatory and antiseptics. Aloe contains aloin and barbaloin, which help reduce inflammation and promotes skin regeneration. It is also extremely soothing on the skin for burns. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which helps to protect the skin against infections. Its healing properties also aid in a quicker recovery. Note: always apply a small amount to an unaffected area to check for allergic reactions. Never use honey on open wounds or in the eyes. If the burn is severe, covers a large area, is on the face or a major joint, seek medical attention immediately. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for new content added daily.